Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Alcatel 1B 2022 to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Now you need to set it up. In order to do that, click on the same options in both apps. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then confirm. Continue. And allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can select Not Now if you want to. To close it, hit OK. Finally, after hitting Close, in white pop-up at the top, choose Send at the bottom left corner of Alcatel. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on Alcatel, using all of those categories available at the top, select all of your files to transfer. In some of those categories, like for example contacts, you need to hit Allow a couple of times and then access your files. When you finished, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom and tap on Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up. Now it's time to decide which connection way you want to use. If you want to connect thanks to this key, click on Input Keys section, type in all of those numbers in correct order, and tap on Receive or sometimes Download afterward Add. If you wish to scan this QR code, click on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close an ad and select Allow in the pop-up, or in this case, while using the app. Then point your device's camera at the code and wait. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!